down. Oh my days, unbelievable! Yeah!
Generally, like, you have to have stability. Better close. Like, I feel like if you struggle with stability, maybe do it on a Smith machine first. Alright, 4x, 3x battery charger, 15x fireball, 3x hotspot. I really like leg press. I feel like you can train all kinds of muscles on a leg press depending how you position your feet. So I think that's really good for legs. Leaf wins, everybody. Third time in a row, 1-to-1 payout once again. Congratulations. We have 532 winners. KM 62 euro top win and betting time. Do I know kite surfing? Like surfing but with a kite? There are people that do that in Latvia in the summertime, but we rarely have like winds strong enough, I think. Are you doing that, folks? No more bets, thank you. It looks fun, but I'm not sure how difficult it is. Good luck. And I guess it's fully dependent on the weather. You can't make wind like artificially, can you? 7x battery chargers, 2x hotspot. How did you get into that? You just saw someone doing that and thought it looked interesting? Please. 12 battery charger with 7x. Nice. Nice. X Chaser, you're in for this one. Gonna get a hoo, yeah. Woo! Highest battery, 100x at the very top. We have 7x and everything, so it goes up to 700. We have 350 there. All right, good luck, everybody. 35 first, red. Global multiplier could double all the batteries. Imagine how insane that would be. Not this time. 350, I would not be mad at that. I would not be mad. It's red, okay? 49, this is scary. 49 is red. 70, 70, guys, red. Then we have 14. Would prefer literally anything else over 14. It's red. Then we have 140, which is the second highest, but I want to make it till the end. 140 is red. 21, guys. This is so insane. 21 is red. It's either 105 or 700, guys. 105 is red. Oh! Oh! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 700x multiplier. We just got a 7x wheel multiplier and battery charger, and we hit the highest result. Whoa, 1,553 winners. Woo! All right, bets are open. That was so amazing. Ah! Okay, we got it. That's the Lightning Storm 20.
Lightning Storm.
Well, follow up with me. Hello, people. Let's get some lights. $400x, the highest up top. We got decision time, first, second, third strike, all the big options there, and hoping for some global multipliers. Yeah, let's go for the first strike. 45 for the first strike. Here's the second strike. Okay, good. Let's go for that strike. You ready? Yeah, baby. We got that 1000x in here, baby. Congratulations, sincerely, guys.
20, 40, 50, and last but not least, now, hotspot. Gonna multipliers there, and from the up there, and over there as well. Congratulations to all the winners. So don't enjoy yourselves. Now let's unplug the buyers, and we're gonna go back to the wheel again. 1,066 winners in total, and betting time. 8 out of 10 of them are beautiful. Well, if you say so, it's pretty hard for me to judge. But we all see the beauty in a kind of different way. For me, one thing might be beautiful. For you, it's a meh. Another way around. And good luck. Well, just that it's all the best for you. Ellie, SK, hi there. Welcome to Lightning Storm. How are you? So, final result of this way round is... Come on. Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, number 11 with a nothing but amazing 7 times multiplier. So if you have your X chaser on as well, you are participating in round 2. 7 X's. Ooh, that's gonna be 700. Yeah, that's right, 700. Oh my, look at those multis. Red color for 7C. Moving forward, 21X. Is not the one. 105. The 43 digits. Okay, we're gonna skip that one. Apparently, 2X global multiplier. We actually won it, and we got it. 1,400X is right over there at the top of the wall. Red for 28. 700 is the next one. Okay, 70. That's the next one on the line. No, we need 2 more reds to get the highest multiplier there. One more red. Just one more red. Please. Yes! 1,400X! Do you see what I see? You see that? Brilliant! Let's go back to the wheel. And this is what we got with a 7 times multiplier on a better charger bonus round. 1,042 winners. Gracie got your 13K. And I gotta say that this is actually just beginning of our session. We set the bar for the rest of the session really high. 1,400, are you kidding me? I don't know what is the highest multiplier of the day. But is there a chance that it's...
Weak answer. I think he was good. He had the muscles on him. 32X. That's good. Of course, he can always be bigger and better. Like in the movie. Have you seen American Psycho? Actually, I haven't seen that movie. I really want to watch it. Basically, Christian Bale is this main character. Ooh, 2X. Lightning Storm. Let's go up to the roof. Welcome to Lightning Storm. 2X. We got everything doubled. Alright, decision time's yours, guys. Number 1, number 2, strike number 3. Which strike will be yours? Alright, strike number 1, global multiplier. What?
you too, guys. Love you too. Let's continue. New year, new wins.
As evolution, everything that is bet related and money related, balance related, has to be dealt with casino. All right. So you're gonna have to contact customer support, and you're gonna have to talk to them and explain your situation. I know it might be difficult, but you should be able to do it. 6 and 7 leads, ladies and gentlemen. Many people before you have done the same. 452, ladies and gentlemen, got a Waddle. Andy, Adam, 658, Tomlin, Waddle. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen. So please, yeah, Edison. That's how you do it. Good luck to you, ladies and gentlemen. Hey. What was that again, Mr. Sai song? Anything somewhere? 25x and 1? Anything somewhere. Dude. 25x battery charger segment 1, ladies and gentlemen. Check this dude out. Look at that. I'm going. Come with me. All right. Lock and load, ladies and gentlemen. It goes crimson all the way. 50.5, 1250. That is now. The next two we have 2.5K max, ladies and gentlemen. Potentially if that happens. All right. Dude. Out of all things, give us that double. Give us that X2. All right. Dude. Beep, bump. All right. Green. Come on, man. All right, dude. Come on. You see that? 4 digits, 2500 up above, dude. All we need 3 reds. That's what separates us. 2 reds from 2000. Not too bad either. Not too shabby. You know what I can say? Come on, man. Get out. Oh, all right. Either 2000 or 250. Come on, man. Yeah. 2,500x multiplier here at the battery charger. Nice. 1,000 winners, 41,000 euros for Mr. CTPLZ. Top winner. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, man.
It was Strom any decent bonus round. Meow. 25 on a hotspot. Meow. Guys, 2,500x. This is something you could get right now, ladies and gentlemen. Massive! Look at the apocalypse out there. It's all for you, my darlings, for that 2,500x deal you're gonna get now. Decision time's on. Auto pick provided. Safe mission, agents. Here we go. Decision time's over. Let's check what you got there. Looks like the best part is super duper season hot card was in top corner, and that was on the right side. Only 1,2500x surrounded by a juicy over 1,200x is there. And 2x, please, where you land, huh? Yo, the same spot, and guess what? You had opportunity to get a 5,000x plus multiple 2,500x's. Congrats, 1,000 victories, and hey, amazing day, eh?
Not the strongest guy. I'd like to be much stronger, trying to work on that. And there goes the leaf, guys. Got the leaf right here, right now. $250, $500 winners now, guys. Huck, EMR, Future, 98 slot winners. Congratulations. We'll continue the next one right now, guys. Here we go. Let's play. Let's do this. Go to the next spin, ladies and gentlemen. Let's continue now. Here we go. Let's get something nice. Come on, show us the money. Man, there's a 50x on what? On Hotspot. Oh, man, it's coming around, guys. It is coming around. Come on. Take us to promised land. Slowly, slowly, too fast. Slow down. Oh, my days. Unbelievable. 50x. We got it! Here we are, guys. Unbelievable. First time ever, man. 50x on the grid. 5K, the biggest prize, man. Let's go. Decision time. Very important decision to make. Someone's becoming a millionaire here. All right, a couple more seconds. Let's open up, man. 150, the bottom multiplier. That's crazy. 350, 500, 750, 1K, 2K, 250, 5K, and on top of that, 3x3 with 2x, guys. And goes right there, 2,000, 1,000, 1,500. Amazing, guys. Congratulations. That's how you do it. 863 winners that time. Wonderful, guys. Congratulations, man. Best round ever. Best round ever. Literally. Whew. Good job, everyone. Let's continue with the next one. Yeah, now if someone asks me what's the highest multiplier ever seen in one of those sessions, this was it.